Welcome students to the LNM IIT Jaipur. In this series of videos, we are going to tell you about few facilities that you are going to use throughout your campus life. The first thing that we are going to talk about is our official email ID. So once you have registered at the institute, then you will receive an email from the LNMIT admin team, which will be like this. So you should open this email. It will be an email account which is generated related to your roll number. Here we are just having a demo to show you. So we are saying that your username is demo@lnmit.ac.in and password, that means click sign in below to set the password and sign in. So this is a very simple process. Our LNMIT email is with the domain @lnmiit.ac.in, but it is based on Gmail. So you can just click on this sign in, and when you click on this, you are going to accept the license agreement of the LNMIT domain. So you accept that, and you can create a password whichever you like. It should be a strong password and also you should remember it. So once I keep the password here, then we'll go to the next step. So it's a pretty easy thing, and just like most of you would have used Gmail, everything will be same as your Gmail, but in addition to that you will get a lot of different things. So these are all the features that you get in addition to your Gmail, and we'll be using a lot of them. So these are the apps that are associated with our Gmail ID which is given to us. So you can click on this Gmail, that will open your Gmail account. If you click on Google Drive, it will open your Google Drive, and similarly we'll be using this Google Classroom, we'll be using Google Meet also, and Google Docs sometimes. So now the Gmail account is set up. So you can see all these things are just like your regular Gmail ID. You will be a part of lot of groups which will be created by admins, by instructors, related to your courses, related to your clubs and your batch. All these groups will be created. You don't have to worry about that. One thing that you should do, once you set up your Gmail or LNMIT ID, please log in your Gmail app of your mobile phone also, whether you are using Android or iOS, whichever. It can be added in both of them, and synchronize your Gmail account so that whenever there is an email, immediately you get the notification. Institute emails will be very important, and sometimes the notices will be on urgent basis also, so you must synchronize with your mobile phone as well. Make a habit to check your mail very frequently. In the next videos we are going to tell you about more things that you will need for attending the lectures. Thank you.